Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. Just before 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Wednesday, 7th day of April, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We definitely saw consolidation in both the precious metals, gold and silver today, with gold giving up about $4 when compared to yesterday's close, and silver giving up about 3 cents. Nonetheless, the technical indicators that we are looking at and that we will discuss during the show are still showing a very bullish posture. We'll talk about that in a second, but first, current pricing. Gold futures basis the most active June 2021 contract is currently down $4.50 in trading today and fixed at $1,738.50. Concurrently, when we look at spot pricing, that is down about $6.65 at $1737.30, a net decline of approximately 0.4%. In our trade alert, which we sent out yesterday, we also recommended buying the open today of the Spider Gold Trust as well as the SLV or iShares Silver. Gold Trust opened at 162.82. Currently, we have that trust at 162.76. This first chart is a daily candlestick chart of June gold futures. We can see by this small candle that is just beginning to form as the market opens in Australia on Thursday morning, that it is just a couple of ticks below where they fixed the closing price in New York. However, if we convert this into a Heikin-Ashi chart, what we can see is that even with today's fractional declines in gold, it is still bullish. As you know, yesterday we adjusted the Fibonacci retracement that we have been using to a much shorter term Fib retracement. It actually now begins at the record high back in August at 2088 and has its bottom or conclusion at approximately 1675, 1680, which is the double bottom from lows that we saw at the beginning of March and the end of March, beginning of April. We've also added a short-term 21-day moving average because the longer-term moving averages that we use, the 50, 100, and 200-day, will not reflect this recent uptick in prices in gold. That is now in cyan, and as you can see, it's fixed at 1732. We're rounding up by 10 cents. And what that tells us is that, first of all, trading activity in New York today used this particular price as a support point. As the market came down, it touched upon it but did not break through it. Of course, yesterday we had a solid move on a open and closing basis above the 21-day moving average, and today we're still actively trading, even with Australia open now, above that key level. And that is where we are currently pegging strong support in gold pricing. Silver had an extremely modest decline, losing approximately 3 cents, and is currently fixed at $25.20. That's basis the most active May contract. If you went long the iShares Silver Trust on the open this morning, the opening price was $23.25. Current pricing is $23.33. Looking at a daily chart of May silver, which is what we have up on the screen, we can see that, first of all, current pricing is still below the 21-day moving average, the exponential moving average, but current pricing is above the 0.618% retracement. Again, this has been adjusted so that it can more accurately look at the recent short-term uptick that we have seen in silver as it came off of these lows of approximately $22 that occurred at the end of November, beginning of December in 2020. Traders, maintain your current long positions in gold futures, gold forex, silver futures and forex, as well as the additional adds today when we bought the open of SLV and GLD. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.